Applique letters are often used for cutting out fabric shapes that you will then embroider around. They can of course also be used for cardstock. They are loaded in much the same way as a basic shape. So we start by turning the machine on, pressing the home key and tapping the OK icon, then tapping the pattern icon, scrolling down to find the Applique letter category, choosing the style, and then loading the individual shapes that we would like to cut or draw or pierce or whatever we fancy doing with them. To show you the process of creating an entire word, I am loading up individual characters in order to spell out my name. I'm not making any changes to the individual characters as I load them, however you will have the option to change the height and number of repetitions each time that you load a character. If you get to the point that you fill up your cutting mat and have no space left, the machine will tell you.